The magic bloom on KiddieBoom.
One bright star up in the sky, two candy canes standing by, three little bells go ding ding ding, four gifts wrapped with ribbon strings, five snowflakes falling slow, six cookies in a perfect row, seven lights that shine so bright, eight tiny elves bring joy tonight, nine red ornaments on the tree, 10 toy reindeer dancing free.
Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe and like for more.